Okay, hi everyone, it is Glenda from Inspire Motion, and today I am going to unbox a subscription box that I purchased from Annie's. This is the first one that I've ever received. It came in the mail the other day, so I thought I would share this with you. A couple of things. Annie doesn't know I'm doing this, or the company doesn't know I'm doing it. I'm doing it on my own. It was $12.99. The first box is discounted, and because I'm in Canada, it's $12.99 US plus some shipping. So we will unbox this today. So came in this bubble wrap, and here's the package. Now, what I was going to say here was, they have lots of kits. This is a basic jewelry making kit that I wanted to try out. I want to start making jewelry, and this is my first step in doing it. So we'll just go through what the items are. The instructions are actually online, so in order for me to get some instructions and other instructions on certain tools, it's online. So we'll start off. This is a pad so that your beads don't shake around. So that was pretty neat. That's nice. And then we have a little booklet. Before we get into the actual kit, I received, and I'm not sure if this comes with every kit or it's because it's my first kit. It is Annie Simple Beads Kit of the Month Club Beading Guide, and it just goes through different beads, different shapes of beads, jump rings, tools, miscellaneous tools that you need, wiring and stuff like that. So it is helpful for you, but I think this is online too, so you can download it, or I have the actual book. Then it comes with this 4-in-1 tool. Again, I believe because it's my first kit, so I get this. And this is 4-in-1 tools. It allows you, to manipulate wire, flatten crimps, open and close jump rings, and cut with ease. So then here's the actual kit. So let's open it. And it's actually packaged quite well. So here is this, it is December's theme is romance, and this is what we'll be making. We'll be making a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings. And I guess I should have turned that off, sorry. It tells you what's in there, all the elements here, and how to make the kit. And again, I believe this is online, so that's okay. And here is the actual kit. Each one is packaged, individually packaged, which is good for shipping. You don't want to destroy things or get things broken through the mail. So we have some faux leather, some metal beads, gold-plated metal beads, some earring hooks and jump rings, faux pearl beads, some fancy sparkly glitter gold beads with larger holes, and connectors or links. So that's my kit. So I was actually, and you just can package it up like that. And actually, this would be nice to reuse for holding beads or stuff like that. So anyway, that's the kit. I'm quite pleased with it. I'm anxious to actually make it. Now, what I was going to do in my next boxing or package, whatever you want to call it, I'll show you the finished result of this, and I'll show you the next kit. But it's quite nice, and I thought it was quite reasonable in price with what you received, and the timeline was pretty quick for me to get my mail. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to try and do more videos of this, of making items, and you can visit me on YouTube at Inspire Motion. Thank you.